It was on September 9, 1947, at Harvard University in Cambridge. The Mark II computer was found to deliver consistent errors. Opening up the computer's hardware gave birth to this evil demon born to destroy programmer kind named Bug. But little did they know, Little Bug had extreme superpowers. Bug Bang, the superpower to begin as just a single bug, then expand and stretch to grow as long as you could ever imagine, and is still growing. Invisibility, the demon has won the honorable award for being the inevitable invisible power since 1958. Shape-shifting, he has the ability to physically transform himself into an irresistible feature. Gauntlet Snap, the power to vanish your entire career. The Immortal,